part of my vow. When I got married, this was my song for my husband.
You mean when you got married to that handsome man over there?
Right?
Look at him, he can feel the moment.
He's so tall.
He does feel that way right now.
Right now, yes.
Sir, can you come down a bit and so that we can see the real you? Oh, I'm sorry, sir. You can go out. We cannot see the real you anymore. There you go.
That song was for you, honey. And Las Vegas, we give you the songs that will remind us of the talent and the heart of the OPM icon, Mr. Danny Javier. Alam niyo, for years, he has given us beautiful songs. At kami po dito sa ASAP, mula po sa amin ni Gary, Jaja, Ogie, and Martin, kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa pamilya ni Danny Javier at syempre, malungkot man, pero
Grabe. Namatay na ba siya?
always remember him.
Namatay na pala.
Every time we sing his songs,
year.
you will always in our hearts, Danny.
Namatay na
We
pala
love
siya.
you and thank you again for the music.
You know, there's one reason why I smile, you know? Maliban sa pagkakantang ginawa niya. But the man was a comedian.
San Francisco,
He would say something and he would make
Las
something
Vegas,
funny out of it and it would liven up
San Diego.
any room. It would liven up any gathering of people. Kahit yung mga hindi nakilala. He would do that. And now, mga kapamilya,
Yes.
dahil total, love ang
All around
pinag-uusapan
the
natin.
US.
Diba? Through the music of Danny
Say hi.
Javier, mahal na mahal din namin kayo. Bibigyan namin kayo ng pasabog na performances that will surely put a smile on your faces. Get ready for a total performance like no other. Kilala niyo ba kung sino sila?
Ako kilala ko,
Kilala mo?
pero hindi ko sasabihin.
Oh, well, they can sing.
Yeah.